Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use pirate ship with Big Cartel. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official bigcartel.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Big Cartel, where you can see all the options that you can manage about your store. So guys, now what we want to do is go to the pirate ship website. So go to pirateship.pirateship.com and again log into your account. And after logging into your account, guys, you'll be again greeted by the main page of pirate ship. So guys, now we want to go ahead and get started connecting these two. So what we want to do guys, in the pirate ship website, go ahead and look at the left side of the screen and we want to find this option right here that says settings. Guys, go ahead and open up settings and this will now open the settings regarding our pirate ship website and account, and we want to scroll down until we find this option right here called integrations. Click on integrations guys, and this will now open up all of these options that we have. As you can see, the first option is to import from Big Cartel. So you can either click the option right here or you can go ahead and click the connect new source button in the upper right corner. If you do not see Big Cartel here, you will see Big Cartel, and just go ahead and click on it guys, and this will now take us to this page where we want to confirm that we want to go ahead and allow to import from Big Cartel, and now we can get started with importing it. But yeah guys, basically go ahead and enter your info right here, go ahead and refresh the data and do whatever you have to do. Basically you can get started. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.